Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing some spring decor DIYs, in particular 2 front door pieces that I'm using to decorate my front doors. If you've been here for a while or if you've checked out any of my other front door decor videos, you'll see that I decorate 2 specific doors. They are both front facing. One is the main door that we use and one is really the front door, but it's the door that we don't use. So they're 2 differently shaped doors as far as the glass piece where I would hang any wreaths or anything. I like to try to style them in the shape of the glass. So today I'm going to be decorating this embroidery hoop for the rectangular door, and I'm going to be using these styrofoam balls for the oval shaped door. And I'm going to be reusing some of the faux roses that I used to decorate for a recent wedding. So if you want to see how these front door pieces come together, then I hope you keep watching. And what I ended up doing here is, I wasn't planning on doing this, but it worked out nicely. There's 3 roses of each color on the inside hoop, and then there's 4 on the outside. It's more noticeable here where there's 3, and then there's 4, and then same here all the way around, and that made for the best even flow of the wreath. And the way I did this one with the leftover string, the string that was hanging from the top here, the extra piece, I looped it through here, kind of just tucked it into the rose, and then I tied it here so that it wouldn't slide down. And then the one on the bottom, I tucked it up and tied it here so this one would stay in place. So that's just holding everything together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.